Civilians, आज हम बात करेंगे why the thunderstorms are occurring so much in Delhi NCR in the evenings and how they are different from the previous years and decades and how climate change is affecting it. Specifically, we can witness these thunderstorms in Delhi NCR, Western UP and Haryana and the specifically northern belt. And the reason is that is intense surface heating because you know that direct sun rays are over the Tropic of Cancer on 21st of June and we are coming close to it. So Tropic of Cancer passes through somewhere around Gujarat. So there are direct sun rays over uh, latitude of 23.5 and some around 5 to 6 degree uh, above and down. So there surface heating taking place and as we know that when the surface heats up the hot air that is in contact with surface rises up and the cold air takes its place. It is basic science and when the process this phenomena happens uh, there is a huge chances to uh, huge chances of thunderstorm to happen and there is also a lag time in between as we know that surface heating happens at afternoon. At 12 the sun is overhead and till 2 to 3 surface heating at its peak and after 4 to 6 we can witness these thunderstorms almost every evenings in the northern belt. So this is the primary reason because of surface heating in evening. In these evenings, warm and moist air rises up rapidly and it condenses as we know. So as it condenses, now these are cumulonimbus clouds. So they are so big clouds, so heavy clouds, it needs to rain. So and they are so big to rain, like they come with a thunderstorm. But this is not the only reason for the thunderstorms in the evening in the northern belt. Western disturbance can also be pointed as a reason just because the low pressure troughs are coming from the Mediterranean belt, Mediterranean Sea, surpassing over Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and coming to Rajasthan, Punjab, and entering in the northern belt. So these are low pressure troughs that also creates disturbance, but we usually benefit from western disturbance. The farmers of the Punjab and Haryana they get water, but these are part of like uh, something which is not usual. So this is the reason that we don't take it as a reliable source of water. We have to provide irrigation facilities in the region. And if I talk about like the surface is heating up in the northern region as the sun is overhead, but where the moisture is coming, so we need to understand the Indian South India is a peninsular region. So from Bay of Bengal, from Arabian Sea, and usually from Bay of Bengal, mostly of Bay of Bengal, uh, the moisture is coming because this is a southwest monsoon. I believe you know this. So the dry winds coming from Bay of Bengal picks up moisture from there and enters the western regions of India. These are known Western Ghats. They most of the moisture is loosed in the Western Ghats only, but somehow it surpasses. The Aravalli are at the parallel, so the water reaches Delhi, Haryana, and further. So this is the reason why it is raining hard. But now the thing is that how it is different from previous years. So as per reports and scientists' discoveries, so we can note that because we can blame it on climate change, and climate change is a vast term. Uh, so specifically, if I talk about urban heat climate effect, was Delhi is a developing city, and even the western UP regions like Ghaziabad, Noida, Rajnagar extension, and Haryana, Faridabad. These are developing urban cities, and in urban area there's a lot of emissions, and as we know that emissions capture long wave radiation. Emissions are like CO2, sulfur, nitrox. So they capture back CO2 emissions, long range radiations, which are reflected back from the Earth's surface while re-radiating. So these are captured back, and the lot of heat get captured in this specific region, as well as a lot of dust particles are also there because of emissions, factories, bricks, as well as cement industry and automobiles. They release dust particles that can act as a condensing surface for the water droplets, so that they can condense well, and there's a lot of clouds that again stops the radiation to go back to exosphere. So this is the primary reason that urban heat climate effect is seen in this Delhi, Faridabad, and Noida, and western UP region. Thank you.